What's up, everyone? Came across an issue in my man cave with one of the receptacles here. Has reverse polarity. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. Try this. So neutral and hot are reverse. So I'm gonna swap it. Show you how to fix that. I'm confident in my abilities. If you're not, always contact a licensed and professional electrician. All right. All right, everyone, I fixed the reverse polarity issue with my electrical receptacle. So now I'm gonna take this GFCI tester and it's gonna tell me if the wiring is correct and if it's the right amount of volts coming in. So let's test the top one. So it's 121 volts AC, it's correct, and AC is alternating current. Take the bottom one. Same thing. So that is correct. We don't run a risk of fire hazard or anything. So let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more videos like this, or you got any other suggestions. And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.